A continuation of our previous post. There is a strategy trending online: buy from close of previous day candle. Yes, buy from close of previous day candle works. It works, yet the win ratio is high. But I want to contribute to the strategy because I also adopted the strategy: buy and sell from the close of previous day candle. But to add more flavor and spice to that strategy, I will advise you add break of structure to the close of the candle. Add break of structure to the close of the candle. Say that to the close or to the open of the daily candle. Add break of structure to it to best understand what you are doing. You see, in this current continuous sell, which we had since Saturday, the selling started into Sunday, Monday, and BTC have significantly seen a drop from 66,100 to 61,900. When you pair it on a daily break of structure strategy, you will see price have we have here a support structure. We are not cutting the body of the candle, like I tell you. We try to avoid piercing the body with a daily and weekly candle. You can pick the wicks, but you try to avoid the body of the candle. If you're bridging the body of the candle, it invalidates our strategy. This is based on so many test backs, and we come to this conclusion. So you see here you have a support structure, you have a support structure, you have a support structure, break of a support structure, price played as resistance, and we got up again, respected the structure again as resistance, which I will call, let's pick it up and label it to make it clearer. It's a resistance structure. The support becomes resistance, and support becomes resistance. We'll add a zone to it. The zones are usually to accommodate the other wicks because price reacts in zone. So if you are too careful with zone, you are going to miss out in the bigger picture. So that is the zone we have there. Then on the break of the resistance structure, it started playing as support, and we have here multiple supports on daily, and when price returned, the structure was broken because we tapped into a top layer resistance structure, a breakout from a double top. This is a double top, this is the neckline, breakout of the neckline, price retesting. So you can see the two structure we have here, showing us a possibility that price, after tapping into this zone, we picked a sell liquidity, could be coming to this place. Yes, it's possible. It's possible that you come here if you are interested in this asset based on the structure of the market. Look at what price has done: 48,932.88. Look at another low. We connected the two lows, and from the roof side, we connected after we had a break of structure, a retest candle one, retest candle two, keeping us to the upside. So price is technically playing in the middle. So it's best to let price come to a good area of buying and to a good area of sell. So we have another midterm structure setting up for a buy, which was born out of the structure of the market. It's everything is structural. It's no speculation. We don't assume. We just interpret structure. So you see, for now there is no good trade. You need to allow price to return. But let's look if we have opportunity on from the top, from the top of the double top, and Let's see if there is an opportunity that price can return. If there is an opportunity, there might be a potential one at this roof. This is, we have a double top, a breakout from the neckline, retest of neckline, one, boom, retest, two. So I expect this price to continue to drop down. I expect it to continue to drop down. But you have to watch this level. This level has to be watched critically. You watch the blue line critically and see what it does. Watch it critically and see what it does. Watch it critically and see what she does. So let's see what it does. So you gotta watch it critically and see what it does. You see resistance structure 1, resistance 2, resistance 3, breakout. You expect a return. If it returns here, that will be exactly what I told you. If it returns here, it coincides with the ascending trend line. I will call ATL. So let's make a zone for it and see if this baby comes here. If it comes here, please approach it with all kindness and do not hesitate because the structure says so. I'm going to change this box to blue, content blue. I'm going to change for blue to show you. Let's take this out. So I expect it again to fall into the blue zone. This is resistance. Become support and break of structure. Price returned. The two structure forming a descending trend line on daily DTL. So we want to see it. Though the structure is not complete, the structure we'll be working with are two structures. The floor, I will label my floor as purple, yes, and the roof as red. So this is what you have on daily analysis. You have a breakout from the blue line, descending trend line, DT1, DT2, DT3 breakout, allow price to return here, and you might be on DC double confluence. You might be on DC double confluence. Give you a beautiful buy. DC double confluence, double confluence. Because you have an ascending trend line, touch 1, the previous low 48,89539, price ascended, return to this level and create another upswing. It will be wise to allow price to come back here and give you a high probability a descending trend line meet ascending trend line. That is double confluence. But however, I am not advising you to take any trade here. Allow this trade to come down to the zone to break the previous low. You buy from the break of the